Hi guys, overdue video on our new updated grinder. Changed a few things on this. Thickness of the base, a few more curves, make it easier for us to make, lighter to post, and make the tracking a bit easier. Redesign the top here a little bit, rather than keeping the bed in the arm to get the tracking. It just makes it easy for us. Latest Brook Compton motor on this. Same 2 horsepower, 7 newton meters of torque, but now they'll go to 156 hertz if you want. So that's 4,450 RPM, so more than fast enough. Redesigned some of the work rests, so they'll work with all the attachments. I'll show you them as we go through it. So this is basic flat pattern, glass pattern on these, nice chunky piece of aluminium on there, thoroughly bonded on. Really happy with them, make our life a little bit easier tracking them, and work really well. So standard work rest, move it in and out as you want, set it to an angle, a little bit of float there, standard one there. This is the adjustable height work rest. Basically adjust heights, so you have it there, and there, and this will work with every attachment. This will work on its side with that one. So if you want to profile with this on its side, you can. Up there like that. Just need to move the arm to a different position so it's more in the centre. You can profile with that. Always recommend profiling with a large contact wheel if you can. So that's that one. This is the adjustable angle one. Works out different angles, it's really handy. So just that knob so it's in the right position. So you can profile that, do 45s, it goes all the way down, basically vertical, just move that in as you want. So you can do a fair bit of grinding, profiling with that, it's really handy. And I say that work with all the attachments. That one out. Show the slack one now. Handy for shapely handles. This one is really handy bit of kit. A bit of mark there so you know where it goes, so we can slack belt with that, and it's got a fair bit of give in it, once it's up and running. So yeah, moves in, shaping handles, you can get a nice bit of movement on it. So that works in all work rests. The adjustable angle, standard one, and the adjustable height. That's that one. The small contact wheels. So the adjustable work rest, grab your wheel. Different cutouts, you can always make your own on the other side if you want to. out like that, or on its side, and I say that one will work with all the work rests. Which can be really handy for quite a different things. Adjustable so you can get the maximum use out of the belt. There the bottom all the way across. Really nice to fit that, nice heavy duty. Took Ralph over there, a bit of working out to get the angles right. Work with everything, bit of a mission. And so I wish you can use that like that. Clearance is a bit down on that one, but that's not really designed for this, it's designed for the contact wheels and the flat pattern and slack pattern. Same range of sizes available. That's an 8mm set with the holder, which is handy for storing them. That's 14, 20, 25, 30, 40, 50, 75 and 100. We can do any size pretty much between 100 and 15. Can go 10, but I've got to watch what we're doing with the 10. Should we come to large contact wheels? Can do 6, 8, 10, 12, and we can get 14s. Sold a couple of those. Flipping everywhere again. So profile on in that is brilliant. All the curves on that, all different sizes. Usually if it was actually fixed down, it's good, isn't it? So you can do your hollow grinds on that, adjust it up to how deep you want it, up and down quite easily. Lock it off nice and solid. Solid piece of steel that is onto the put in a box. Solid rather. Drill it and ream it to that. Adjustable angle. So you can tilt that right up. Do what you want with it. We don't supply these as a knife edge. Some people want that like that. Just feel free to grind it as you want it. And grind away. There. That will go 90 degrees and beyond a little bit. So yeah, some people are grinding on them now with a flat pattern and a contact wheel, so that's quite a handy feature. Up to 90 and the other way a little bit. So handy little attachment there. Yeah, really happy with them. Say 4 sizes pretty much from stock, but you can get 14 contact wheels, various sizes, and yeah, really happy with them. Good bit of kit. Sold a few. This one's about to get palleted up and out the door. Thought to grab a quick video before we shipped it. I've been meaning to do that for a little while, and we finally got round to doing it. Right guys, sorry for no videos for a while, but thanks for watching. Have a good one.